present, past, future. First of all, present. I am, I have, I do, I find, I come, I say, I run, I become, I buy, I choose, I eat, I hear, I hide, I keep, I break, I make, I send, I understand. Now past. I was, I had, I did, I found, I came, I said, I ran, I became, I bought, I chose, I ate, I heard, I hid, I kept, I broke, I made, I sent, I understand. Now future. I will be, I will have, I will do, I will find, I will come, I will say, I will run, I will become, I will buy, I will choose, I will eat, I will hear, I will hide, I will keep, I will break, I will make, I will send, I will understand. Okay, now these three forms of the verb: present, past, and future. Please like the video and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you. See you. Take care. Bye bye.